Hey everyone, and welcome. Today we're going to talk about something I think we've all felt, that moment of frustration with AI. You know, when you're trying to get something useful out of it and it just gives you generic junk. Well, we're going to fix that. Let's get into how you can start crafting truly powerful AI prompts starting right now.
And just so you know, all of this great info we're about to cover comes directly from Chapter 3 of the tutorial on prompt engineering from our friends at Virtualization Options LLC.
So let me ask you, does this sound familiar? You ask your go-to AI tool for some brilliant marketing copy, or maybe a breakthrough idea, and what you get back is just robotic. It's unhelpful, and you basically have to rewrite the whole thing from scratch. If that sounds like you, trust me, you are not alone, and there's a really simple reason why this keeps happening.
It all boils down to what we can call the prompting problem. And here's the simple, hard truth. The quality of what you get out of an AI is a direct mirror of the quality of the instructions you put in. You know the old saying, garbage in, garbage out? Well, it has never, ever been more true than it is with AI.
And this is the core idea right here. If you give the AI vague, kind of lazy instructions like, write about my product, you're going to get vague, lazy results back. It's that simple. But, and this is the key, if you provide clear, well-crafted instructions, you're not just giving a command, you are directing an incredibly powerful tool to create targeted, useful content that actually gets the job done.
Okay, so how do we actually build those better instructions? The great news is, this isn't some kind of secret art form. It's actually a really straightforward process. It all comes down to understanding the 4 essential building blocks of any great prompt.
And here they are. This is your blueprint. First up, the task. Be super specific about the action, not just write something, but write a tweet, or summarize this report, or brainstorm 5 blog titles. Second, context. Give it the why behind the what. Who is this for? What's the goal? Third, you have constraints. Think of these as your guardrails, word count, the tone of voice, maybe things you want it to avoid. And finally, number 4, examples. Show, don't just tell. Give it a little sample of the style you're going for.
All right. That's the theory, but what does this actually look like in practice? Let's take a super common marketing request and see how we can use those 4 building blocks to transform it from vague and totally useless to something valuable and precise.
And wow, here it is. The difference is just night and day, right? On the left, write a LinkedIn post about our blog. That's a dead end. The AI has nothing to work with. But look at the one on the right. The task is clear. The context is specific. We know the audience. The constraints set the rules, and the example gives it a perfect voice to copy. The prompt on the right gives you a draft that's probably 90% ready to go. The one on the left gives you, well, basically nothing.
Now, here's the really crucial part. That thoughtful, structured prompt we just looked at, it probably takes, 60 seconds to write? But think about this. Those 60 seconds can easily save you 10, maybe 15 minutes of frustrating rewrites and edits later. That's not just a better result, that's an incredible return on your time.
But here's the thing. Crafting a great initial prompt, that's only half the battle. The real magic, and this is what separates the beginners from the pros, is realizing that your first prompt is never the end. It's just the start of a conversation. And you can see that conversation right here. Your first try, write a product description, comes back way too generic. So what do? You don't give up. You use that output as a clue. For round 2, you add the audience and you tell it what to emphasize. Okay, now it's better, but it's too long. No problem. For the 3rd attempt, you add a word count and tell it to focus on benefits. And boom, you get an excellent result. Each step is just a refinement, a little back and forth that gets you closer to exactly what you want.
All right, let's wrap this up with a quick and dirty toolkit you can start using today. We're going to cover the essential techniques to always keep in mind and the common mistakes that you can now easily sidestep.
Okay, think of this as your power checklist. Always specify the tone and voice. Define your audience with as much detail as you can. Tell it the exact format you want, bullet points, paragraphs, a table, whatever. Set your length limits, give it the key info it needs to know, and, this is a big one, tell the AI what to avoid. Being explicit is your fastest path to a great result. And on the flip side, here are the traps you're going to want to dodge. Don't be vague. Don't assume the AI knows what you're talking about. It has zero context about your company's projects or inside jokes. You have to provide that context. And maybe most importantly, remember what we just talked about. Never, ever just accept the first output. Always be ready to iterate. So, I'll leave you with this thought. Your AI is an incredibly powerful assistant, and it's ready to do some amazing work for you. The only real question is, Are you giving it the clear, thoughtful, and structured instructions that it needs to actually succeed? Because the power, well, it's truly in the prompt.